If you run an auto repair shop and you're using modern shop software, Tekmetric, Shopmonkey, tools like that, you've probably wondered this at least once. Do I still need QuickBooks? Because your shop software is handling estimates, invoices, parts, labor, payments, it feels like the accounting is already done. So let's answer this clearly, right up front. No. Auto repair shop software does not replace QuickBooks. And when shops treat it like it does, that's usually where the problems start showing up later. In this video, I'm going to break down the real difference between shop software and accounting software, what integrations actually do and don't handle, and why relying on software alone quietly gets a lot of shops into trouble. By the end, you'll know exactly what role each system plays and how they're supposed to work together. Here's the most important distinction to understand. Shop management software is built to run the day-to-day operations of your shop. Accounting software is built to account for the business itself. Another way to say it is this. Shop software tells you what happened in the bay. Accounting tells you what happened to the business. Those two things overlap, but they're not the same and they're not interchangeable. Shop software is incredibly valuable and it does exactly what it's designed to do. It's great at building estimates and invoices, tracking labor and parts by repair order, managing workflow and technician productivity, showing sales numbers and ticket averages, and keeping customers moving through the shop. That's why it feels like accounting. But what it's really doing is tracking activity. It's not verifying accuracy. It's not tying everything back to the bank. And it's not producing financial statements you can rely on for decisions or taxes. This is where most of the confusion starts. Shop software says it integrates with QuickBooks, and shop owners hear that and assume that the accounting is handled. In reality, integrations are designed to move data, not to verify it. Most integrations sync things like invoices, some payments, items, or purchase orders. That helps reduce double entry, and that's a good thing. But syncing data does not mean the books are accurate. Someone still has to make sure the accounts are mapped correctly, categories make sense, merchant fees are handled properly, and everything lines up month after month. The integration doesn't own the books. Someone still has to. This is where we usually see issues show up. A shop owner says, everything looks fine in my software reports, but the bank account tells a different story. Deposits don't match. Payments are batched weird. Merchant fees weren't accounted for. Refunds or chargebacks weren't handled correctly. Inventory didn't flow the way it should have. Nothing was wrong with the shop software. The problem was everything around it. Even with great software and a solid integration, there's still core accounting work that has to happen. Bank and credit card reconciliation. Your shop software isn't reviewing what actually cleared the bank. General ledger accuracy. Accounting is built on a general ledger. That's where the financial statements come from. Shop software is not a general ledger, and it was never designed to be one. Payroll, owner pay, and taxes. Shop software doesn't handle payroll filings, tax deposits, W-2s, owner compensation strategy, or year-round tax planning. And there's sales tax nuance. Even software companies warn that resyncing data can override accounting changes. That's not a flaw, it's just the reality of syncing systems. At some point, most shop owners aren't just trying to create a job for themselves. They're trying to build something bigger. That's when accounting, bookkeeping, and tax work really start to matter. You need clean financials you can trust. You need strategy, not just activity. You need infrastructure around the software that's running your shop. Now, to be fair, there are scenarios where a shop can operate with software only, at least for a while. Very small shops, 1 or 2 bays, no employees, low transaction volume, no real growth plans. But as soon as you add employees, inventory, multiple payment methods, loans, or expansion plans, accounting stops being optional. So this isn't a question of shop software versus QuickBooks. It's about what level of accounting support makes sense for where your shop is right now. If you want help figuring that out, take our Ideal Accounting Solution quiz. It helps you understand what kind of accounting setup actually fits your shop. You can also use our pricing calculator to see a realistic monthly cost range before talking to anyone. And if you want to talk it through, you can always schedule a free consultation. We're upfront about fit and we'll tell you honestly if monthly accounting makes sense or not. Links are in the description. And if this video was helpful, subscribe for more straight, practical breakdowns like this.